Facebook. So my teammate will introduce you something about it.
Yeah, good.
Facebook is one of the most popular and the biggest social media globally, which most of people in the world use and accept every day. It is an amazing means to connect people with another people in further distance. There are a lot of advantages of using it, but on the other hand, Facebook can also bring out a lot of disadvantages. In the past, Facebook had an age restriction, but now middle school students can use it every day. Facebook is developing day by day, so Facebook has many articles, videos, and images that attract viewers, along with not suitable with the great benefit and growth of Facebook. Objectionable information, articles, video not suitable for age, in violation of community rules and against increasingly emerging ethical standards. So a lot of disadvantages. It may not time consuming. It can waste our time. The study can be back easily. We can have less time for study and play outside with friends. It can also harmful to the eyes, and many people use Facebook with bad purpose. They show their wrong behavior and lead to conflict easily. Moreover, we can be affected by bad habits. Facebook can make us believe in unreal information. From picture and status, we can be sleepless, can be addicted by using Facebook. Otherwise, you can make bad friends. So why does people use Facebook more and more? Those people use Facebook become more and more popular because despite of its harmful effects, and my teammate will tell you about that.
So we have 5 basic reasons to explain this problem for you guys. First, there are lots of videos and pictures can easily attract Facebook users. Second, lots of posts from all over the country, all over the world, can stimulate our curiosity. Third, and you can easily see lots of posts. That also affect the news share from communities. And more people use Facebook because of they want to make more friends. Many people using Facebook because they want to make themselves famous or become different from the other people. And I will use some advice to solve this problem. First, you shouldn't spend too much time on using Facebook. You need to concentrate on your studying and exploring the world. Second, you should follow page which can support your life. And the last one, you need to choose videos, status properly, and post category. Appropriate videos. We cannot deny the benefits which Facebook brings us. However, it's only useful when you know how to use it properly. Let each of us use Facebook effectively to maximize its benefits. At the same time, we shouldn't waste too much time on use Facebook and shouldn't let this social network control us. As a student, studying is very important. But when you want to share something you have learned to everybody, you can use Facebook. Or after learning